Yeah, it's raining today. Puts me in mind of what it was like when my grandmother passed in '86. 2 days before Christmas. We didn't have snow. I don't think we had the snow that year for Christmas. I think it waited until February. Maybe January. Sometimes it does that. But it's a pretty sad day. I used to love these type of days, but not so much right now. It feels closed in. Sleepy Ridge has got cloud on top. One of those foggy clouds. You don't know if it's going to head to snow or not. Most likely not, maybe. I don't know. Probably not down here. Up in the mountains, probably. Hate these days.